All right, guys. So again, like we are just ready to upload with new chapter. Uh, the book's name is Footprint Without Fate, and the title of the chapter is The Thief Story. So channel's name is Learn with Ravi, and now what we are going to summarize with you is this is basically an inspirational story wherein we are having two characters, Hari Singh and Anil, and like this is motivational story wherein an educated person how he strives to make changes into the life of an illiterate person, a thief basically by profession. So we're just going to discuss with you the central character, the central theme, some of the character sketch of Hari Singh, Anil, and explanation along with few important question and answers from both perspective. Here's our team, and moving ahead. Now the central theme or the critical analysis. Okay, so before moving ahead, we need to understand very important thing like the story title as The Thief Story by us, basically written by Ruskin Bond. So before we move ahead, I need to provide you some basic information about the famous writer Ruskin Bond. So he was basically an Indian author. Ruskin Bond was basically an Indian author of British descent, and he lived with his adopted family in the Missouri, India, and he was awarded with Padma Shri, and also like he got the best award of Sahitya Academy and Padma Bhushan also. So most of the works of Ruskin Bonds were influenced by life in the hill station at the foothills of the Himalayas, where he spent his childhood. And the very first novel written by him was The Room on the Roof. And it was written at the age of 17 years, and the same got published when he attained the age of 21 years. And it was almost partly based on the experience he shared at Dehradun in his small rented room on the roof and his friends. So this is all about Ruskin what we need to know at the moment. Though he has written famous novels like Rusty Comes Home, The Room on the Roof, Rusty Runs Away, Vagrants in the Valley, Rusty the Boy on the Hills, Rusty Goes to London, Rusty and the Magic Mountain, White Mice, Garland of Memories, Frogs in the Fountain, the like Ghost Stories from the Raj, The Hidden Pool, Mr. Oliver's Diary. There are so many books written by him, and all are quite famous in this. So let's start with the chapter. And before moving ahead, let's start with this. Let us concentrate on the central theme. Now, the story has a simple plot with important message. So, whenever we have to go through the literature chapters, we need to understand that what is the basic purpose behind writers writing this type of chapter, and what is the basic purpose behind government inculcating this type of chapters in our curriculum. Because we all are grown up now, we all have to strive to spend a honest, decent, and dedicated life towards attaining the best of the mankind and humanity. So this story also has a simple plot with important message, and there is a small time thief whose name was Hari Singh and who befriends a struggling author Anil in the plans of making a steel. Now Anil was the author, and he's a good fellow who wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. Now, gradually, Anil develops trust in Hari Singh, but Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment to make a killing by doing what he's lost it. So, Hari Singh comes into the life of Anil only in order to do theft from his house. But Anil was having a very clear intention to make the change in the life of the thief Hari Singh. So after stealing money from Anil, Hari Singh tries to go away forever, but somewhere inner voice stops him from doing so. And obviously, everybody has an intrinsic heart, and whenever we do something wrong, we get a sense of feeling in our mind that yes, this the act done by us is not justified. This is again like not justified in the eyes of the law, not justified in the eyes of society, and we feels guilty out of our own act. So he finally returns to Anil because he wants to live a life of respect. Hari Singh was knowing it very well that it's only Anil who can educate him. It's only Anil who can provide him the essence of teaching and learning. So in the company of Anil, Hari Singh can develop his life in a better way. So he returned back to Anil. And like Anil was also knowing that Hari Singh has made a theft into his house. So Anil doesn't show that he knew about the incident and accepted Hari Singh with open arms. Thus, we can conclude that a well-intentional person tries to reform a teenager who had diverted from the correct path. And why he got diverted? Who was diverted? Hari Singh. Why he got diverted? Diverted because he was not having either of his family members surviving can who could have advised him to move on the right path from the very beginning. So he was basically an orphan, and out of this orphanage only, he chose to move on the incorrect path, on the wrong path. And later on, when he was finally grown up, when he was finally matured, he understood that the path which he was following till date in his life was not justifiable from either of the angles. So his heart, his soul, uh, motivated him to take a U-turn in his life, to learn something from Anil and make his life better and prosperous. Now here are the words and meanings. Some important words and meanings I have noted it here, and you can note it down. Now let us discuss the character sketch. So we're having two characters in the story. The one is Hari Singh, another is Anil. So Hari Singh, he was basically a 15 years boy who was an experienced and a successful thief. So at the age of 15 years only, we can conclude that he was a successful and experienced thief. Now he was successful because of his cleverness and intelligence. He carefully planned everything before choosing his victims. So he always tries to find out all the details before moving into somebody's house, before knocking into somebody's house. He went to places where people would unsuspect him and win their confidence to get job. And after some time, he would run away stealing money from there. Thus, he used to change his name to fool the police and his former employers also. Every moment, he used to change his name and provide different alias names to his employers or to the people coming into his contact, so that he can theft them in a positive manner, in a more confident manner. He managed to steal 600 rupees from the house of Anil, and later, there was a transformation in the end of the story where the thief Hari Singh decides to come back to Anil and keep his trust alive. This shows that there is a good in every bad person, and someday or somehow one automatically starts realizing that what was wrong or what was bad in his or her life. So he wanted to become an educated person in the future. Hari Singh, we're talking about Hari Singh. He wanted to mend his ways and become clever and respected man and earn his livelihood honestly without stealing. So this is all about Hari Singh. Now let us move in the character sketch of Anil. So Anil is a young man of 25, and he was basically a writer by profession. He was kind hearted, simple, honest, and a kind of person who can be won over very easily. Hari Singh's appealing smile softens him, and he agrees to keep him as his domestic servant. Like one day while he was watching a wrestling match on his television, Hari Singh approached him to find a job, and motivated by the appealing smile of Hari Singh, Anil was convinced to provide him some opportunities at his own home, and he was persuaded, he was convinced to keep him at his own home. Uh, again, he was helpful by nature, and he started teaching Hari Singh to learn. And also, he asked Hari Singh what profession you are having expertise into, and Hari Singh said that I'm good at cooking. So Anil gave him some work of cooking, and finally, Hari Singh was not been able to do it in a professional manner. So Anil immediately concluded that yes, Hari Singh is not a professional cook, but he was only trying to cheat him. So knowing the fact that somebody is going to cheat him, Anil accepted him in his home because he was trying to give him one more opportunity to change his life. He was having a very clear endeavor in his mind that if anyhow, because of my initiative, I would be able to change somebody's life, there isn't any harm in doing that. So this is what Anil has done with Hari Singh. So whenever he was basically a writer, so whenever he gets a check or loyalty, he celebrates this with his friend Anil and spends away everything. So he's very credulous and trusting and give the keys of his room to Hari Singh. So Hari Singh was finally able to gain the confidence of Anil because due to his honesty, due to his sincerity, and due to his simplicity also. That's all. So Anil is basically honest, kind-hearted, affectionate, and helpful by nature. Now the summary. So the summary is about a 15-year-old thief like who changes his name every month to stay ahead of the police and old employees. And this time also he kept his name Hari Singh. And the other person who is in the story, that's the 25-year-old writer named Anil. The thief, like Hari Singh, meets Anil and asks him if he can work for him. And the story unfolds on how the things betrays Anil by committing a theft but retracts later on. So the final conclusion, the final summary of the story is as follows. Anil was a young writer and he was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for the magazines and earning the money to run his life. One day, Anil was like watching the wrestling match sitting in his room, and Hari Singh best know how to make unknown persons, a friend. He used a formula to flatter the person. Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers, and he also taught him how to cook tasty foods. Every day, Hari Singh was going to buy daily needs and had profit of 1 rupee daily. Anil knew it, but he did not mind it. Both were living together happily. So days passed. Hari Singh did not perform his business, and one day he saw Anil had bought a bundle of notes. So because Anil was the writer by profession, so he used to get the money the moment his books gets published. So one day Anil returned back to his home with a bundle full of notes. Hari Singh noticed it. He was having a very clear intention to cheat the Anil. He saw him to put them under the mattress. Now, as Hari saw the bundle, Now, as Hari saw the bundle of notes, his evil spirit awakened in his mind and he decided to rob Anil that night. So, after seeing the no bundle of notes in the hand of Anil, Hari Singh immediately concluded a plan in his mind that tonight I have to steal the money and run away from here. So, after taking dinner, Anil slept very peacefully because he was knowing that Hari Singh is there in his house and he was trusting over him. He was having complete trust over Hari Singh's presence in the house. But Hari Singh could not sleep. He crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He found that notes and ran away on the roads. Hari Singh made up his mind that he would directly go to the railway station and would catch the Lucknow Express and move away from that city. He thought that Anil would not catch him if he ran away from the city. Hari Singh reached the railway station and the train was about to depart from there. Now, suddenly, everybody has a good spirit and a bad spirit in his heart. Whenever we do something good, we feels appreciated in our own heart. We feels motivated in our own heart. And similar is the case. Like whenever we do something wrong, something unjustifiable, we feels a regret in our own minds. And same happened with Hari Singh also. And the good spirits called him. The inner voice of his heart told him not to betray the faith of Anil. Because in an unknown city, Anil was an unknown person to Hari Singh, and that unknown person was ready to keep him in his own house, wherein nobody was willing to provide him even a meal for a single time. But it was Anil who was having confidence, who was having trust over Hari Singh, and he finally put him in his home. The train was moving. Hari Singh was knowing that the train was moving, and this is the last train. If I want to catch it out, I have to miss the train. But Hari Singh did not dare to catch it. Now he was recalling the innocent face of Anil in his mind. When Hari Singh thought that what would Anil think about him, he started realizing that Anil won't worry about the money, but he might feel very bad that the person has broken his faith, and again in future, ever he won't be able to trust somebody the way he trusted Hari Singh. So there was conflict in the mind of the Hari Singh. He did not want to lose faith of Anil because he knew it very well that Anil was a simple, honest, and a sincere person. Moreover, Anil was teaching him how to write and add numbers, which could change his life. Anil made him understand. Anil made him understand that only through the education one can change the way of thinking. One can easily change the way of his living standard, and one can easily gain the status in the society. So, irrespective of the fact about the thing that what backgrounds we belong to, if we are educated, we can easily change the life. Somebody has said it very clearly that it's not your mistake that you are born in a poor family, but if you dies in the same condition, remaining as poor, it's completely your own fault. So Hari Singh started realizing that with the help of Anil, he could become a respected person in the society. So with a very delighted and soft and light-weighted heart, he left the railway station. And Hari Singh finally came to the Maidan and sat on the bench. Just then, heavy rain started. And it was almost the month of November. Chill wind started blowing. He felt more uncomfortable as he had cheated an innocent person. So whenever we cheat somebody who is quite innocent, who is having blind trust over us, we starts feeling regret in our own hearts. So Hari Singh's shirts and his pajamas stuck on his body because it were wet due to the rain. Now then he went to the clock tower to save himself from the rain, and he sat down under the tower. Suddenly he remembered his notes. He searched for it and found that all the notes were wet. He crept again and secretly put back money under the mattress. So he decided to come back to Anil's home, entered the house, and kept the money secretly under the mattress. Next day, Anil woke up, prepared tea for Hari Singh and himself. Now see the trust of the guy Anil. He handed over 50 rupees notes to Hari and told him that he would be regularly paid now because now Anil was able to gain a regular source of income for himself. And so he can also provide Hari Singh a regular salary. Hari took the note and found that it was still wet. He understood that Anil knew about the last night episode. Now here is a catch, guys. You may ask a question that despite knowing the fact, why didn't Anil handed over Hari Singh to police? Now because Anil was knowing it very well that if he's going to hand over Hari Singh to the police, he won't be able to change the life of the Hari Singh. And after coming back from the jail, again Hari Singh would perform the same profession. So he better thought to provide him an opportunity to change his life. And also, like Anil realized that if the person who moved away from my house with a bundle of notes and that person has returned back, it means that he's full of regret, he's full of sin, and he wants to change his own life. So that is the basic reason like Anil didn't hand it over Hari Singh to police. And yes, we can easily conclude that faith in compassion can change even a thief and even a killer too. Now, these are the best punishment anybody can get in his life, which is like a medicine. So even if we are knowing that somebody is doing wrong with us, the only thing we have to do is we have to keep trusting over him. We have to put our faith over him. A day or later, the next person who is trying to cheat us would automatically realize his or her own mistake and would regret his own act. Alright, guys. So this is all the chapter is about. Now, few of our students are also demanding the summary in the Hindi. So let me quickly summarize it out for them. So यहाँ पे जो स्टोरी है इसमें दो कैरेक्टर हैं, एक है हरि सिंह और एक है अनिल. नाउ हरि सिंह जो है वो चोर है, अनिल जो है वो एक राइटर है. एक दिन अनिल जो था अपने घर में बैठ करके टीवी देख रहा था, टीवी पर रेसलिंग मैच देख रहा था. तभी उसके घर में एक इंसान आया, एक आदमी आया, उसने अपने आप को अपना नाम बताया हरि सिंह और कहा कि क्या आप मुझे कुछ काम दे सकते हैं करने के लिए. तो अनिल ने बोला कि बताओ क्या काम कर सकते हो. तो उसने कहा कि मैं खाना बना सकता हूँ. अच्छा. तो अनिल ने कहा कि ठीक है, चलो कुछ बना करके लाओ. तो जब हरि सिंह कुछ बनाने के लिए गया तो उसने वो चीज़ जला दिया. तो अनिल को पता चल गया कि ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे घर में आया है हरि सिंह, ये बेसिकली बाई प्रोफेशन कुक नहीं है, इसके मन में कुछ चल रहा है. अनिल को उसी समय रियलाइज हो गया क्योंकि वो राइटर था और हमें पता है कि राइटर्स के मन में कई तरह की फीलिंग्स, इमेजिनेशंस होती हैं, सिचुएशंस होती हैं. तो वो समझ गया कि ये जो बंदा मेरे घर में आया हुआ है इसके माइंड में कुछ ना कुछ तो चल रहा है. बट फिर भी उसने सोचा कि चलो इसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं. ठीक है. तो उसने उसको फाइनली हरि सिंह को अपने घर में काम दे दिया और बोला कि ठीक है, हम दोनों मिलकर के खाना बनाएंगे और तुम तब तक मेरे साथ ही रहो. और हरि सिंह जो था वो क्या था, वो एक बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल चोर था. वो हर महीने अपना नाम बदल लेता था कि वो जिन लोगों को उसने चीट कर लिया उनको दोबारा चीट कर सके और पुलिस की नजरों से भी बचा रहे. ठीक है. और उसने जो खाना बनाया था इनफैक्ट वो अनिल ने क्या किया था, अपने कुत्ते को दे दिया था। इतना गंदा खाना बनाया था हरी सिंह ने। तो इस इंसिडेंट से उसको पता चल गया था कि ये प्रोफेशनल कुक नहीं है, लेकिन क्योंकि जो हमारा कैरेक्टर हीरो है अनिल, वो एक बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट, इंटेलेक्चुअल, एक्सपीरियंस्ड और राइटर है, जिसको पता है कि हाँ सामने वाला मेरे साथ गलत कर रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी उसने सोचा कि मैं एक बार इसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करके देखता हूँ, आज नहीं तो कल ऑब्वियसली इसकी थिंकिंग ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाएगी मेरे लिए। और यही हमारे साथ रियल लाइफ में भी होता है। अगर कोई कंटिन्यूसली हमारे साथ बुरा करता जाता है और हम उसको जानते हुए भी इग्नोर करते चले, तो एक ना एक दिन उसके लाइफ में, सामने वाले की लाइफ में जरूर आता है, ऑटोमेटिकली आता है, कि जब वो अपनी गलतियों को रियलाइज करता है। और जिस मोमेंट वो अपनी गलतियों को रियलाइज करता है, ट्रस्ट में वो मोमेंट अपने आप को वो चेंज करना स्टार्ट कर देता है। बट कंडीशन यही है कि उसको खुद को रियलाइज होना चाहिए। देयर इज एन आइडिया, में कहावत भी है कि अगर आप किसी बच्चे को जो चल रहा है उसको बार बार मना करोगे कि बेटा वहाँ मत जाओ, वहाँ पत्थर है, आप जाओगे तो ठोकर लग जाएगी, आप गिर जाओ, तो बच्चा नहीं मानता। लेकिन एक बार अगर आप उसको छोड़ दोगे और वो जाकर उस ठोकर में टकरा करके गिरता है, उसके मुंह से ब्लड निकलना शुरू हो जाता है, तो दोबारा उस रास्ते पे कभी नहीं जाएगा, और उस पत्थर को देख करके वो समझ जाता है कि हाँ इससे मुझे चोट लगनी। एंड तो सेम थिंग हैपेंस प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में। अब अनिल जो था वो क्या करता था, हरी सिंह को डेली मार्केट से सब्जी लाने के लिए पैसे देता था, और जो भी मार्केट से सब्जी लाने के बाद पैसे बचते थे, हरी सिंह उसको बचा लेता था। अनिल को ये भी पता चलता था कि मार्केट में क्या रेट है, क्योंकि हरी सिंह के आने से पहले अनिल खुद ही सारी चीजों की खरीदारी करता था, शॉपिंग करता था। तो अनिल को पता था कि हरी सिंह मार्केट में से पैसे बचा लेता है, बट अनिल ने कभी उससे उन पैसों की डिमांड नहीं की और ना कभी उसके बारे में बात की। तो यहाँ पे अगेन प्रूव होता है कि अनिल जो था वो हरी सिंह को सुधारना चाह रहा था। एक बार क्या हुआ कि अनिल ने एक बुक लिखी और बुक पब्लिश हो गई, और उस पब्लिश होने के कारण उसको उस बुक से बहुत ज़्यादा लॉयल्टी मिली। तो उन नोटों से भरे हुए बंडल को लेकर के अनिल अपने घर आया और उसने हरी सिंह को बताया कि हरी सिंह, मेरे पास अभी बहुत पैसे आ गए, तो हम दोनों अभी बहुत अच्छे से रहेंगे, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे खाना खाएंगे। और हरी सिंह ने देख लिया कि अनिल के हाथ में नोटों का बंडल है, उसके दिमाग में इमीडिएटली आ गया कि मैं जिस काम के लिए आया था चोरी करने के लिए इसके घर में, अब मेरा वो काम, मेरा वो सपना आज पूरा हो जाएगा। उसने देखा कि अनिल जो है उसने नोटों से भरे हुए बंडल को अपने गद्दे के नीचे छुपा दिया था। अब अनिल को तो कंप्लीट ट्रस्ट था हरी सिंह के ऊपर, क्योंकि उसको अपने घर में रख रहा था। लेकिन हरी सिंह के माइंड में क्या था कि मुझे अनिल को चीट करना है, मुझे इसको पीछे से धोखा देना है, चीटिंग करना है। तो अनिल तो सो गया ट्रस्ट करके हरी सिंह के ऊपर, लेकिन हरी सिंह को नींद कैसे आती, क्योंकि उसके माइंड में तो कुछ और कीड़ा चल रहा था, उसके माइंड में कुछ और प्लान चल रहा था। तो सो नहीं पाया, और जैसे ही अनिल को नींद आ गई, हरी सिंह ने क्या किया, गद्दे के नीचे से पैसा उठाया और चल पड़ा स्टेशन की तरफ। ठीक है, अब जब वो स्टेशन की तरफ चला गया, तो उसने सोचा कि अब मैं यहाँ स्टेशन से आकर के लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन पकड़ता हूँ और यहाँ से लखनऊ चला जाता हूँ सीधे। तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि जब वो स्टेशन पहुंचा ना, अब यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स क्या है कि हर इंसान के मन में एक गुड स्पिरिट होता है, एक बुरी आत्मा और एक बैड स्पिरिट, अच्छी आत्मा और बुरी आत्मा दोनों होती है। जब हम अच्छा करते हैं तो हमारी अच्छी आत्मा हमें मोटिवेट करती है कि हाँ तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। आप देखो, अगर आप कुछ अचीव करते हो अच्छा करके, बहुत मेहनत करके अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, तो एक खुद के अंदर एक इंस्पिरेशन आता है, एक मोटिवेशन आता है कि हाँ मैंने ये किया है, मैं इससे भी अच्छा कर सकता हूँ। लेकिन अगर आप बुरा करते हो तो फॉर द टाइम बिंग आपको हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद, कुछ मंथ्स के बाद आप खुद रिग्रेट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो कि मैंने उसके साथ बुरा किया था। बेशक आप उस सामने वाले को जाकर ना बोलो, लेकिन आपको खुद ही आपके माइंड में ये चीज़ फील होती है कि मैंने उस इंसान के साथ बुरा किया था, मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। तो यही चीज़ हरी सिंह के साथ भी हुई। उसकी उसकी जो अंदर की आत्मा थी, उस हार्ट ने, उस सोल ने उसको समझाया कि हरी सिंह, तूने एक ऐसे इंसान को चीट किया है जिसने तेरे ऊपर ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट किया हुआ है। उस सोते हुए अनिल ने अपने घर में तुझे रखा, तेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट करा, तेरे सामने अपने पैसे रखे, और तूने क्या किया कि जब वो इंसान सो गया, तो उसकी आंखों में धूल झोंकने की कोशिश कर रहा है, उसके पीठ पीछे तो उसको चीट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। तो हरी सिंह को ना बड़ा रिग्रेट फील हुआ वहां पे, उसने उसको बहुत दुख हुआ कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ अपने लाइफ में। मैं एक ऐसे इंसान की लाइफ को चेंज करने जा रहा हूँ कि शायद इस इंसिडेंट के बाद अनिल दोबारा अपने लाइफ में किसी नीडी इंसान की भी हेल्प नहीं करेगा। तो मुझे एक साथ कितनी लोगों की बद्दुआएं मिलेंगी। हो सकता है कल को कोई सच में किसी को कुकिंग जॉब की रिक्वायरमेंट हो और वो अनिल के पास जाए, तो अनिल उसको जॉब ना दे, क्योंकि अभी तो मैं उसको चीट कर रहा हूँ। इतने दिन उसके साथ, उसके घर में रह के, उसकी बातें मान करके, उसके साथ दोस्ती निभा करके, फाइनली अगर मैं उसको चीट करता हूँ, तो अनिल अपने लाइफ में दोबारा किसी के ऊपर ट्रस्ट तो नहीं कर पाएगा। तो हरी सिंह के माइंड में ये चीज घूम रही थी, और उसका जो मन था वो बहुत ही ज्यादा गिल्टी से, दुख से भर गया। उसने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, मैं ट्रेन बोर्ड नहीं करूंगा, और ट्रेन उसके सामने निकल करके चली गई। उसके बाद वो बहुत ही भारी हार्ट से, कि मतलब उसको दुख हो रहा था, वापस अनिल के घर की तरफ जाने लगा। उसके बाद बीच में वो एक पार्क में बैठता है, और जैसे ही पार्क में बैठता है, नवंबर का मंथ था, बारिश होनी शुरू हो गई। तो हरी सिंह पूरा भीग गया, और उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे बहुत मतलब हैवी हार्ट के साथ, भारी मन के साथ अनिल के घर की तरफ चला आता है। घर में घुसता है साइलेंटली, और घुस करके बंडल को रख देता है नीचे, मैट्रेस के नीचे। अब यहाँ पे क्या था कि अनिल तो बारिश, हरी सिंह तो बारिश में भीग गया था, तो जो नोट्स उसने बंडल, नोट्स के बंडल जो उसने रखे थे गद्दे के नीचे, अनिल के गद्दे के नीचे, वो नोट्स भी गीले थे। सुबह अनिल उठा और उसने देखा कि हरी सिंह सो रहा है। तो अनिल ने देखो, अब वो इतना सिंसियर था, इतना ऑनेस्ट था वो अपने रिलेशन में हरी सिंह के साथ, कि उसने अपने लिए भी चाय बनाई और हरी सिंह के लिए भी चाय बनाई। उसके बाद हरी सिंह को उठाया, और हरी सिंह को 50 रुपए दिए। उसने कहा कि हरी सिंह, ये लो, मेरे पास अब बहुत पैसे आ गए हैं, और अब तुम्हें मैं डेली सैलरी, हर महीने सैलरी रेगुलर पे करूंगा, तुम्हें अब टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, और मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगा लिखाऊंगा भी। और एक और रीजन, लाइक हरी सिंह क्यों आया, कि हरी सिंह को पता था कि अनिल राइटर है, और अनिल के साथ रह करके, पढ़ लिख करके, उसके जैसी थिंकिंग से ला करके वो अपनी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकता है। तो उसको पता था कि एजुकेशन की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस होती है। अगर हम अपने से किसी सीनियर के साथ रहते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली हमारा हमेशा अच्छा ही चाहता है। वो जब भी हमें मोटिवेट करेगा, तो उस मोटिवेशन से हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगी। तो एजुकेशन जो होता है, जो अपने से किसी भी बड़े से लेने में, वहां अपने ईगो को सामने नहीं रखना चाहिए हमें। बट यस, फिर चाहे वो छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, जब हमें सीखना है तो सीखना है। फिर वहाँ ईगो और एटीट्यूड साइड करके इवन हम छोटे बच्चे से भी सीख सकते हैं। तो हरी सिंह के मन में भी ये बात आ गई थी कि अनिल वो इंसान है जो मेरी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकता है, मुझे पढ़ा लिखा सकता है। तो इसीलिए वो वापस आ गया था। तो जब अनिल ने उसको 50 रुपए दिए हरी सिंह को अगले दिन सुबह, कि लो ये तुम्हारी सैलरी है, तो हरी सिंह ने नोट किया कि नोट तो वही है जो उसने अनिल के गद्दे के नीचे रखा था, क्योंकि नोट अभी भी गीले थे। हरी सिंह समझ गया कि अनिल को पता है कि रात को नोट इसके घर से बाहर निकले थे और घूम फिर करके बाहर आए, यानी कि मैंने चोरी की है। लेकिन हरी सिंह, फिर अब उसके मन में ना बहुत ज्यादा पश्चाताप, रिमोर्स फील होना शुरू हो गया कि ये कितना अच्छा इंसान है, ये जानते हुए भी कि मैंने इसके घर में चोरी की है, ये मुझे सुबह चाय दे रहा है और पैसे भी दे रहा है। तो इस ट्रस्ट को तोड़ना, एक ब्लाइंड ट्रस्ट को तोड़ना जो कोई इंसान हमारे ऊपर करता है, आंख बंद करके घर में सोया, रात को आराम से सो गया अनिल, और नोटों का बंडल रख करके, और एक अनजाने व्यक्ति को घर में रखते हुए, तो इससे ज्यादा ट्रस्ट की बात कुछ और नहीं हो सकती। तो इन सारी चीजों को फील करके हरी सिंह को बड़ा दुख हो रहा था। तो अनिल ने उसको समझाया, कि अनिल ने उससे कुछ चर्चा ही नहीं की इस बात पे कि रात को नोट्स गीले कैसे हुए, क्योंकि वो समझ गया था। और फिर उसने डिसाइड किया कि मैं इसको पुलिस को नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि पुलिस को दूंगा तो हरी सिंह जेल जाएगा, जेल में उसको और बुरे लोग मिलेंगे, और बुरे लोग की संगत में ये और बुरा होता चला जाएगा। तो बेटर है कि मैं इसको अपने ही घर में रखूं, और ये अगर वापस मेरे घर में आ गया है नोटों से भरे बंडल के साथ, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि अब ये चाहता है कि इसकी लाइफ सच में चेंज हो जाए। तो अगर कोई इंसान चेंज होना चाहता है, तो अनिल ने सोचा कि मैं इसको चेंज करता हूँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है। ठीक है, तो उसने हमेशा अनिल ने अपनी ह्यूमैनिटी दिखाई, और फाइनली एक अनह्यूमन को ह्यूमन हार्ट में कन्वर्ट किया उसने। तो यही है हमारी कहानी। एंड हियर आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर गाइस। व्हाट मेड हरी सिंह गो बैक टू अनिल्स हाउस? तो हरी सिंह अनिल के घर में वापस क्यों आया? बिकॉज हरी सिंह रियलाइज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन ही वॉज रिसीविंग फ्रॉम अनिल. He knew that learning how to read and write and being a literate person would open doors to many opportunities. And he was sure that he would then be able to earn more than a few hundred rupees he had in hand at that time. So he returned back to Anil's house. For it is easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Do you agree with the statement? Explain. Now, while stealing is very difficult for any thief, returning the loot is much more difficult. Yes, absolutely true. Now, for the narrator, returning the money posed great difficulty. When one decides to return the stolen money, he has to go back through a very tough process, mentally tough process. There is a fear of being caught and punished, and this is extreme shame on returning, and as it's a conscious act. Because Hari Singh, when he looted, when he cheated Anil, he did it in his conscious mind. He did it intentionally, and even after like returning the money, he could have admitted his mistake. It was not going to cover the loss of trust of Anil. How do you think Anil have come back to know about the theft? Like Anil may have come to know about the theft because of the dampness of the notes, because of the rain. So these are the important questions only. I have noted it out here in order to prepare you all from the both perspective. Now, why does Anil not hand over the thief to the police? Already discussed. Hari Singh did not board the train and return to Anil. Why did he return? Now, again, very important question. 99% you can expect this question only to be asked in the board examination. Now, Hari Singh was a thief and he had stolen Anil's money. After the theft, he realized that he had robbed not only Anil but also himself to the chance of being literate and having a bright future. His conscience picked him to think what all he could have got had he not done this. So it was difficult for him to rob Anil, but it was tougher for him to carry on. He realized that he could not make tea, but daily supplies and learn how to read and write then. His inner self did not agree to bypass this and forced him to return back to Anil's house. Hari's return to Anil's house shows that despite indulging in criminal activities, he still had a practical and positive attitude towards life. So it's the awakening of Hari's own conscience and Anil's love and care that reformed Hari's character. It teaches us that love alone can change a person, and Anil, understanding his nature and care, changed Hari's thinking to mend his ways for good. So that's all, guys. We are done with the chapter. There are two more questions. If you want, you can note it down. And thank you all for spending your time and watching out to our YouTube channel. Great day ahead, guys. Bye.